Oh my god, it's so windy. So we're here in Pohang. Andy right now is checking the car because Corona season. I don't do public transportation anymore. I just can't. So Angie's gonna be a driver because I'm the videographer. So let's take. I can't drive and film. Don't be airing my business on my channel. And we rented with Lotte, but because Angie is too young, the insurance went up a little bit. But apart from that, renting a car is pretty affordable in Korea. This is less than $100, so pretty affordable. So let's explore Pohang. In case you can't tell by my hair, look at my braids are no even.
Typhoon, whatever your name is.
벌써 맛있다. It's so cool, no? Delicious dress arrangement. What happened to your diet, Titi? What happened to your diet? Let's find somewhere to see. Did you find? So yeah. What's that? 뭐 하는 거야?
Taking my top off? It's underneath. Taking me, I was like, how do
We're not criminals. Nice. The view, most important. Oh, parara. Yeah. Oh, that's where I saw in the pictures. TV, does it say your name when it welcomes you? No.
Well, it's starting. Maybe.
They have water. It has a bidet. It has a tub. Huh. I should have known that. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, so pretty. More hair. So, everywhere we look, it's raw fish.
And she doesn't eat it.
I don't eat it.
She doesn't.
어떡하지? Oh, we can have like street food. Oh no, that's 감자. This would not satisfy it. Yeah, we need. Yeah, we need. Okay, so what? Ooh, okay, Sweet Asia. There it is. Oh, yeah, 쌀국수 100. 쌀국수, Indian food. Oh, we got food. We found food. But there's a crab place right next to it. Like, look, it's literally raw fish. It's red, it's red, it's red. Oh, okay. They took away the hoops from the basketball court because of Corona? Like, seriously? 안녕. Today the weather is much better than yesterday, so I'm sure everyone can hear me.
No more wind.
So, 우리 지금 어디지? 우리 지금
something Turkey.
우리 지금 철기숲 있고 철기숲 저기 있고 밑에 있는데 근데 우리 여기서 올라가는 이유는 바로 가을꽃인데 어떤 꽃인지 잘 모르고 그래서 더 가까이 가자. 오! 조금 언덕이네, 언덕. 코스모스 있네요. 와, 엄청 예쁘다. So right now we are at the Guryeongpo Ilbon in Kanokgori, which is basically a street where Japanese people used to be when they were in Korea, when they occupied Korea. However, right now it is known more for the drama When the Camellia Blows. So, 가볼까요? Let's go. Yeah, don't
Is
be...
that udeng? With crab in it?
Yeah, udeng and crab.
Smells crabby.
Ooh. 역시 crab city.
Hi.
Hi.
It's raining.
It's raining.
We're miserable.
Oh. Because it said it was gonna be sunny.
But it's not. It's a lie. Weather is a lie.
Neighbor lies.
AccuWeather. Neighbor weather. Why?
They all lie.
Yeah, they all lied. Liars. Liar.
Was it because of the typhoon though?
Well, it was sunny this morning. Did you see the sun this morning? Or
It
were you
tried to sun this
sleeping?
morning.
Sleeping. That's why.
So yeah, everywhere is just gloomy. Look, this would have been so pretty to take a picture of.
And just wet. Look at that. Clouds.
And no sign of it ending anytime soon.
Yeah.
But the place is still pretty.
Yeah.
Like people are still out here. They don't care. And look at that majestic dragon. Ooh. So yeah, this is the filming location for When the Camellia Blooms. Yeah, it's written Guryeongpo, but it's When the Camellia Blooms in English. So everyone is trying to like do this pose, like Dombek. And what was the name of the drama? Kanghanu. For those who haven't seen it, this was the exact spot that the guy was caught. So we're gonna have coffee at this location because yeah. So it's a very cute spot. You're gonna, of course, very.
Where did you go?
This place is imbibing like the Japanese kanok, which is like the traditional houses that were in Korea, built by the Japanese. So a lot of the, as you can see from the name, Kurung Kanok since 1922. So this building is since the 1922s. Check out the ceiling though. Like, this is very old, like traditional. Wow. Oh, they have a CCTV. Gotta leave quickly. Yeah. So let's continue a search for her house. So pretty though. Under the sea fishes. Under the sea.
Oh, is it maybe that one? Did we just walk past it without knowing? I think it is that one.
Found it.
We just walked past it.
We walked past it several times. That's because they need to make the sign brighter. Okay. Ta-da-da. It's a house. Okay, so our last stop is Yeonorang. Seonyeo. I have to be very careful with her name because if I make a mistake, I can say it in the wrong way and it just means something totally different. So forget Romeo and Juliet, guys. This is the best love story. Okay? So Yeonho was a fisherman who went fishing one day into the waters and hit a rock that sent him to Japan. Yes, we're in Pohang, and Pohang is that close to Japan. And he disappeared, and wifey was crying, longing, Yeonoya, Yeonoya, Odia. And one day, while she was on the rock, she also floated away to Japan. Meanwhile, back in Japan, dude was missing his wife, as they made him emperor because they had never seen an extraordinary man come from another country to their country. So he was emperor, and while he was missing his wife, she came back and they were reunited and it became a loving story. Isn't it romantic how her love was so pure and they were reunited? The judges were judging us, but it is romantic, no?
No, they're not judging me, they're judging her. Because she was being all lovey-dovey, that's why.
But it's a lovey-dovey story.
Nah.
Who
knows? Water, they could have all died. It would have been tragic, just like the real Romeo and Juliet.
She doesn't believe in love. Real love stays alive. Let's go down. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, this is Seonyeo.
Anya.
Oh, oh.
Oh, oh.
Like, seriously, son? Seriously? When we've changed our train ticket?
I think though, it's not like...
This is a failure.
Yeah.
Why should be disgraced?
Disgrace.
Ashamed of yourself.
What's that song from Disney?
Lion King 2?
Yeah, Lion King. Disgrace. Da, da, da. I don't know what the rest is. It's my pouty face, by the way.
Is your pouty face your own?
Oh, it's Manta. They put the Manta on.
So here we are, about to drop the car to end our trip. That was too cold. And look outside. Now it's sunny. Now it's warm. And anyway, we even bought an umbrella. That's how bad it was today. It was raining. It was cold. Waka waka life. But anyway, it was fun, and now we say goodbye to Pohang.